See, it's about time I make another video of the Bradford tractor, tubers. Look, I got the transaxle apart. Got some problems. We'll need a full rebuild. Got teeth missing and half broken off there. Got a tooth that's absolutely gone here. Got a broken finger off something. And I just found out where it went to. Huh. Check it out, cuz. Missing. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. So the saga continues. It will be interesting to find all the parts for this. I'm going to get some new bearings for it. But it'll be worth it. What a damn mess. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it in the camera. Metal shavings. Lots of them. Let's see inside. Some lines. That here and there looks pretty damn good. Don't see any problems with that one at all. And that one goes right to the disc brake. I just have to take the rest of it apart and inspect it. Then I have to go on eBay and find the parts. So that's a Bradford tractor update. Laters.